I'm Kim.
I'm Edith.
And I'm here with Boxycharm and Leia.
And I'm here with tea. So if you guys see me drinking, I'm sorry.
And as I mentioned, my credit card number got stolen, not the card itself. But anyway, so I think some of these things I kind of like ended up ordering late because I had to like change my card information.
And thank you guys for those kind words.
Yes.
By the way, that was very nice of you guys about her card.
And I got my COVID vaccination today, so my left arm's kind of like sore. But I like the card. It's like St. Patty's Day themed.
Oh, yay!
I didn't show the back, so if you want to,
they don't usually
do
do themes as much as like Glossy Box. Well, it just shows like what she gets, and then the pretty that matches my nails, kind of like
weird.
Didn't I get outside? Oh yeah, I think you did.
Get that? Okay, so this is Cab's lip oil. I think I know how to say it now since I got it in something by them in something else. Because it says Kim Ariana Brielle, or I don't know how you say it, but and whatever other boxes we got something with that same brand. It might be the exact same item. I don't know. I don't remember.
It's worth $20. So.
But it's lip oil, so I like it. Yeah, of course, if that's what it said. And this is Maven Beauty Rose Water Setting Spray.
And I swear that smell makes me think of our mom for some reason. That's worth $22. It says new launch. So
this, I mean, is this a full size? Are these
prevents,
all full sizes?
Well, that seems like a full size. Prevents smudging up to 16 hours.
And then, I always forget how to say this one. Is it 3 Skin? Harley Street, London? I don't know.
Those are all big sizes, yeah. So.
Celestial Black Diamond Contour Gel.
It says it's peptide pack treatment specifically developed to focus on deep set lines and wrinkles due to loss of elasticity around the eyes and lips. Normally $140.
How many ounces?
But it doesn't really say that. I know it doesn't say, unfortunately.
I mean, it's a ½ ounce, but it seems like it's really big. So
I know. Well, the box is big.
Yeah, and then this is like half in, half out of the plastic, so I'm guessing it's supposed to be in the plastic.
Oh, it's a little cleaning brush thing.
Wet
I
brush
like those.
cleaning system with silicone scrubbing pad by Lavish. Hopefully, I'm saying all that right.
Seems like so it's just $15. I mean, so that's not bad price.
That's good. I don't have one of those, so that's good. And then sorry, I'm like pausing here. Glow Recipe Banana Souffle Moisture Cream.
That sounds yummy.
That seems like full size.
If you like
too.
bananas, it's $39 normally.
It seems like it weighs the same as my.
It says it seals and lasting hydration without clogging pores, which is important. So I know a lot of good size items in that one.
I feel like they're all full size, but I could be wrong. But
I know not
good
so
items
much,
though.
like makeup.
Good job,
yeah, I would say
Boxycharm.
good things.
Oh, and on a side note, I had ordered some hand sanitizers back in December. And they were kind of a good size for a good amount. It was like their add-ons for Boxycharm, I'm pretty sure. And I ended up getting one, and I never got the rest of them. And so they ended up refunding my money like in January, because I was going to do my stocking stuffers for like my whole family, her family, and everything. Stocking stuffers, because they're big. They're like that big. So anyway, so they give me a refund, and then like a month later, they give me the rest of my order after they already gave me a refund. Then today, surprise, they gave me more of that same thing again. So thank you, Boxycharm, for all the sanitizers you replenished me with.
And if you guys can't tell, maybe not, we were doing yoga earlier, so that's why I still look like this. She already had makeup on and looked gorgeous, so we're like, let's film, and that's why I'm so red and she's
to get
not.
The video up quick.
But if this video is fast enough for you, as always, give us a thumbs up. Geez, where's my English? And don't forget to subscribe to know about our future giveaways like the one I will post down below. And we'll catch you in our next video.
Take care.
Bye.